Folks, just St. Paul steam machine here. I just got done with this double boiler plant. It's got two 1.5 inch boilers on it. I took this lug off of this one and put a sight glass in there because it didn't have one. It also didn't have a crossover tube on the bottom, so they could keep an even flow with each one. Solder took real well. Real pleased with that. So anyway, we got that done. Kind of got done with it, and then was pressure testing a little bit and found out that for some reason it had a hole in the back of the stem here. So we had to tap and plug that with a little custom brass screw. So it's a handsome little unit. And I'll put the straps on and be right back. Okay, here we got it all buttoned up with the straps holding everything down. And it's got this, I call it a sardine can fuel tray. It's easier for me to move around it than to move it. But there we have it. And it's complete. I'll pressure test it before too long and make sure everything's good there. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now.